cool fish. Yes, he's bleeding because, how did we get him up on the pier?
The fish in the mouth.
Right, so he had a hook. He bit the hook. Okay, so we had to take the hook out, so he's bleeding. Cool thing about remoras, this fish is a sucker fish. So if you look at the top of him right here, see here?
Is he
He's
alive?
got a suction on the top. Yeah, he's alive.
He sits onto sharks.
Hang on, listen. Yeah, he sucks up to the bottom side of the sharks. Now, the remora's lips are very much like sandpaper, so feel that. Reach up and feel it very, very quickly as I come around. Very slowly.
Wow.
No, Mom, stick yourself to it.
I feel.